Welcome to our video on 5 common misconceptions about REIT investing in the Philippines. Now, dito sa video natin, we will dive into the world of REITs and help you to understand why they are an excellent investment opportunity for anyone looking to invest in real estate. Iisa-isahin natin yung some of the most common misconceptions about REITs investing in the Philippines. And magbibigay din tayo ng much better understanding of why you should consider adding them to your investment. Now, kung gusto mong malaman, stay ka lang and I'll show you how. Ngayon, disclaimer lamang bago tayo magsimula. Itong mga mababanggit natin ng mga kumpanya ay hindi to recommendation na bilhin nyo, bagkus do your own research kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa pag-invest dito sa ating merkado. And naniniwala akong malaya tayong magpahayag ng ating mga saloobin, opinyon, kuro-kuro, or ang ating pagsasaliksik sa mga kumpanya dito sa ating bansa. Now, pagdating sa pag-i-invest sa real estate, many people think about buying a property and renting it out to a tenant. Now, however, this traditional way of investing in real estate require a significant amount of capital, time, and effort. Luckily, there's another way to invest in real estate that doesn't require any of this. That is Real Estate Investment Trust or REITs. Now, ang REITs are companies that own and manage income-generating properties such as office buildings, shopping malls, and apartments. Kapag tayo ay isang investor sa REIT, you become a shareholder in the company and earn a portion of the income generated by the properties. Pero marami pa ring misconceptions pagdating sa REITs that prevent investor from fully take advantage of their benefits. Now let's debunk 5 of the most common ones. Misconception number 1, REITs are only for large investor. Now, maraming tao ang napapaisip na ang pag-i-invest sa REITs are only for large investor na mayroong significant amount of capital. However, this is not true. REITs are available to anyone who wants to invest in them. And you can start with as little as 5,000 pesos. Misconception number 2, REITs are only for real estate professionals. Some people think that REITs are only for real estate professionals who have a deep understanding of the industry. However, this is not true. REITs are designed for everyone, from beginner investors to experienced ones. You don't need to have a prior knowledge or experience in real estate to invest in REIT. Misconception number 3, REITs are too risky. Some people believe that investing in REITs is too risky because it's associated with the real estate industry, which is known for its volatility. However, this is not entirely true. REITs are regulated by the government and they are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to their shareholders, which makes them less risky than other types of investments. Misconception number 4, REITs are only for long-term investors. Some people think that investing in REITs are only for long-term investors who are willing to wait for several years to see any returns. However, this is not true. REITs can provide both short-term and long-term gains depending on your investment goals. Pwede kang kumita ng regular income from the dividend paid out by the REITs or pwede mo itong i-reinvest for long-term growth. Misconception number 5, REITs are only for local investors. Some people believe that REITs are only for local investors who live in the Philippines. However, this is not true. REITs are open for foreign investors, which means you can invest in them regardless of where you live. In fact, investing in Philippine REITs can provide you with a great opportunity to diversify your portfolio and to tap into the growth potential of the Philippine real estate market. So ngayon, nalaman na natin yung most common misconception about REITs. Now, let's talk about kung bakit ka mag-i-invest sa REITs at ano nga ba ang mga benefits nito. Firstly, REITs provide a hassle-free way to invest in real estate. Unlike sa mga traditional real estate investing, you don't have to deal with the challenges of property management, such as tenant screening, maintenance, and rent collections. REITs handle all of these tasks on your behalf, allowing you to enjoy the passive income generated by the properties. Secondly, REITs offer excellent returns. Since the REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to their shareholders, they provide a steady stream of dividends, which can generate a reliable source of income for investors. Moreover, REITs offer capital appreciation potential, which means that the value of your investment can increase over time as the properties appreciate in value. Ngayon, dahil sa nagsisibagsakan ang share price ng mga REIT company dito sa ating bansa, pwede nating matake advantage ito para lumaki ang ating capital gains in the near future. All of REIT company ay talaga nasa negative side o 1-year performance. At ang merong pinakamalaking pagbagsak dito sa loob ng isang taon ay ang A-rate na nasa 27.16%. And lastly, REITs provide a level of diversification that is hard to achieve with traditional real estate investing. When you invest in REIT, you're investing in a portion of properties which reduces your risk exposure compared to investing in a single property. Moreover, REITs offer exposure to different types of properties such as office buildings, malls, and residential complexes, which further diversifies your portfolio. Okay guys, so thank you for watching on 5 common misconceptions about REITs investing in the Philippines. I hope that I provided you with the valuable insights on why you should consider investing in REITs and debunking some of the most common misconception about REIT investing. Remember, REITs offer a hassle-free, reliable, and diversified way to invest in real estate, and they are available to anyone who want to invest in them. If you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on investing in the Philippines. Now, this is Pesi Warrior na lagi nagpapaalala sa inyong invest wisely and see you on the other side.